How to make money at 19. 7 ways to earn before your teen ends. The only problem is you are not ready to put in all the work. Not yet. But you're still young and still have plenty of time to make money. You'll never be 100% prepared to get started, but it's not too late to make some progress. Even if you're just getting started, you can make money today, tomorrow, and in the future. In this video, I'll show you how to make money at 19 with absolutely no degree, no job experience, no special skills, and no money to invest. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my technical solution channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Number 1. Dropshipping. It wasn't until the end of 19th century that the United States made it illegal for anyone under the age of 18 to sell merchandise door to door. In the decades that followed, the law changed and teens got more involved in selling. Today, more than 60% of teenagers sell online, according to a recent study by Shopify. This group make up a substantial portion of online shoppers, but the average teenager has limited experience within the internet. With dropshipping, you don't have to set up a web store or hire anyone to manage inventory and ship orders. If you have a reliable source of products, you can sell directly to customers through their website. You may need to learn how to work with inventory management software. Dropshipping can be extremely helpful for teens who want to start their own business. This is a method of running a business without having to buy inventory as stock. They can simply place an order for an item they want, then ship it directly to the buyer. This allows them to avoid any upfront expenses and keep all their profit. Number 2. Become Facebook or Google Ads expert. Secondly, being able to sell Facebook ads and Google ads and build a business around them is something I have learned over the last 5 years. Today, I'm running my own marketing company specializing in internet marketing and advertising. Yet, Facebook ads, Google ads, and PPC, pay per click advertising, have become one of the most important ways to drive traffic to your website. There is no doubt that Facebook ads are most common ways to monetize online content. Google ads are also among the most lucrative method. However, the only people who are actually qualified to run Facebook and Google ads are counted as professionals. So, become a pro in it and charge the way you want. Number 3. Build website for others. The key to building websites for others isn't just to build websites that are appealing to your target demographic. You also have to make sure that your website works very well for your visitors. This means making sure that the navigation is easy to understand, that images load quickly, and that the website don't take up too much room on the screen. If you don't take these things into account, you're going to lose out on your target audience. You can develop websites for others as a teenager. All you need is an internet connection, a little practice. The process involves learning HTML and CSS and understanding web development tools like WordPress. Number 4. Flip niche blog website. The world of blogging is changing. As technology advances, it becomes easier to set up a blog than ever before. Today, even a high school student can put together a blog for free. This means that there are a lot of options for people who want to start their own blogs. It also becomes very easy to start and build a large following with a blog. One thing that hasn't changed the fact that most people who start a blog do so because they want to make money from it. However, if you have a blog that makes money, you can flip it. Flippa is a platform that enables you to flip any niche website. The platform is free and paid and easy to use. All you need is 1. Go to flippa.com, then create an account, upload your website into the system. You can choose a fixed price option or a bid-based method to sell the blog. Once a buyer is interested in it, he will contact you to make the final deal. All the payments made on this platform are secure and counted for, but ensure to read its terms and conditions before you make any decision. Number 5. Sell ebooks. It can be a big challenge for authors who want to sell their books. You may ask why? Because teenagers aren't as interested in reading books as adults are, because they love ebooks. So the trick is to get teens to read. The problem is teens don't really read physical books anymore. They just like to read on their phones. Since teens are nutritionally hard to pursue, only a teen can understand them. I mean, you got an opportunity to write an ebook. Here are some tips that can help you to sell. These include: keep your ebook short, keep your ebook interesting and engaging, offer to share your ebook with others who are interested. At the start, you may not think it to be published, but once you did the whole draft, you realize it can change someone's mindset. Number 6. Offer pool cleaning services. I have always enjoyed swimming. I love to play competitively and I love to just swim. Swimming was the one sport where I could be alone, enjoy and be happy. Most people don't think they could earn money by pool cleaning because the work is hard and dirty. This assumption leads them to think they'll need a lot of experience and training before they can become pool cleaners. This may even assume they can't find work as a pool cleaner and they end up writing for the whole long time. But that assumption is just plain wrong. There are tons of jobs out there for pool cleaners, but you need to go and apply to earn a living as a student. Do invest. Some research shows that investing as a teen could give you a better handle on financial matters so long as you are interested in investing. It's not clear whether investing makes people smarter or just forces them to think more about money. But if you're already showing an interest in finance, is it possible to become an investor as a teenager? But it's not easy and it doesn't happen overnight. I would encourage teens to consider investing as a part of their long-term financial plan. In addition, investing can be seen as something that anyone could do even if you don't have access to stock markets or trading platforms. In fact, many of the world's greatest investors start their career as young kids. Conclusion. In conclusion, to make money as an entrepreneur at 19, you need to think outside the box. You have to think of something that no one else is doing. You need to be able to sell yourself and your idea. So, what is that you are passionate about? What is the problem that you are trying to solve? And what would make you the best person to solve that problem? The more you can answer these questions, the better your chances of making money at 19. Even if you don't find any answer, just start with the previously mentioned money-making ways. Thanks for watching.